Paradise Crew! This is Alyssa with Griff and Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you what we put in our Embarkation Day carry-on. The very first thing we like to pack is our passports. We like to put them in an RFID wallet for protection. The very next thing we pack is our Embarkation Day paperwork. So that has all of our boarding assignments and extra luggage tags. The next thing you'll need is a change of clothes for dinner. I pack extra shoes and an outfit. You'll also want to pack a swimsuit so you can get in the pool and the hot tubs as soon as you board. And don't forget your sunscreen. You'll also want to pack any medication you might need before your luggage arrives. Now, if you plan on bringing any wine or champagne on board, remember, this has to go in your carry-on as well. Ladies, don't forget any makeup or toiletries you might need to help get ready for dinner. And last but not least, pack any chargers you might need. So there you have it. That is all we pack in our Embarkation Day carry-on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.